Saab 9.3 window calibration for cars with electric windows that have the one-shot up feature along with anti-pinch. If your Saab 9.3 has this feature, then normally if you double lift the window switch, the window will go all the way up. But if you've had the battery disconnected, the system loses its calibration, and as soon as you let the switch go, the window stops. Also, you can get a problem where you lift the switch to activate the one-shot up feature, and the window may go most of the way up, but then it'll stop and come back down about 2 inches or so. If you simply want to override the anti-pinch function, which isn't working properly, in order to close one of the windows, then you can override it by pressing and holding the rear window defeat switch and closing whichever window you wish to close. Let the switches go once the window is closed. That will override the anti-pinch and the window will go up as far as it's able. That's a sort of get you home type function. It'll allow you to leave the car with the windows closed and secure. If you want to permanently reset the window one-shot up function, the doors, all 4 doors, must be fully shut. I've set the latch in this one to fool the car into thinking this door is shut, so I can film it easier. And the engine must be running at idle. If either of those 2 conditions are not met, then the windows may not reset. Fully open the window that you wish to reset. Lift the switch all the way until the window is fully shut and hold the switch up for an extra second or 2. Fully open the window in one movement and hold the switch for an extra second or 2 at the bottom. Close the window all the way up to the top, holding the switch, and after a couple of seconds you should hear a beep which tells you that the system has reset. Et voila! Repeat that process for all 4 windows. If you got value from this video and it helped you out, please give it a like down by the title. Consider subscribing. There'll be plenty more videos on the way, and I'll see you next time.